A while back, our 2010 Honda Odyssey developed an issue with the driver's side power sliding door. First thing we noticed was the power sliding door wouldn't open when the button on the remote or the dash was pressed. Then I realized that the door wasn't even unlocking. The power door lock wouldn't unlock by remote or by the power door lock switch. When I tried to manually unlock the door, the lock would quickly relock. The only way to unlock and open the door was to manually push up on the lock and hold the door lock until it would stay unlocked. This took about 3 to 5 seconds. Then the door would manually open and close. The door alarm would sound each time the door was opened. My first thought was that the door lock actuator had gone bad, but then I realized that the door would actually lock remotely. It would lock by the switch, and it would lock when the vehicle was put into gear. So the actuator had to be working. It took me a while to figure the issue out, and I couldn't find the information online when I was looking for it. I finally realized that there was an issue with a switch inside the gas door. The switch is a safety switch that will prevent the door from opening when the gas door is open. I noticed when I messed with that switch, pushing the plunger in and out, sometimes I could get the door to unlock. Most of the time, it was a no-go. So then the next issue was finding that part. I searched for gas door sensor, gas door switch, fuel door sensor, fuel door switch, couldn't find it. Turns out part description doesn't mention the gas door at all, even though that's where it's located. I finally found the part on the Honda Parts website. The part name is Cable Slide Door Stopper Sensor. For my year and model of Odyssey, the part was about $60. Since I couldn't find the information online when I was searching for it, I decided to make a short video. I'm not really doing a walkthrough or giving in-depth instructions, but for the most part, this video shows how I accessed and replaced the part to have a working door again. I've sped up parts of the video to help make it less boring. Hopefully, this information will help some.